Hello all, my name is Akash Oswal and this is Know Your Bicycle. Today I have the pleasure to have Rajesh Kalra ji, who is the founder and MD of Raleigh Suncross, basically Suncross, which is a very strong player in Indian cycling community today. So let's have his viewpoint that they have recently launched an electric bike by the name of Intuitive, Raleigh Intuitive. So let's hear what he wants to put across in Indian cycling community and how the electric cycling is looked up to in future. So let's have his view. Welcome.
Hi. With Raleigh Intuitive, that is our first bike which we have launched under the banner of Suncross Bike. See, what we want to do is we want to bring in the same standard of e-bike which we are selling in Europe. Simply, we don't want to bring in, those old-aged or that kind of technology which is 10-15 years back that was launched in China earlier. What we want to do is we want to only launch pedal assisted bikes with strong motor and strong components which are pedal assisted, because fitness is equally important. E-bike is definitely assisting you in moving fast forward, but frankly speaking, e-bike should be as such that you should be able to cater to your health as well. So this is our first model, and there are a lot of other models in pipeline also which would be coming. The battery is a 7Ah battery which is fully concealed within the frame itself with a 3.5 rear motor that is capable enough to go on steep and high on the higher terrains also. It doesn't let your e-bike just give up while going on tougher terrains. So that is one of the first models we have launched, and we have got a very good response. And with this good response from the market, we are poised enough to launch in much more better models in future.
And what is this, just for my customers, just for my viewers, what is the price you have leveled this Intuitive model at?
It's about 57,000. The MRP is about 57,000. We have robustly priced it, looking into the components and looking into the features of the bike. And there are other models also coming which we would be very aggressively pricing it, so that it is within the reach of all our Indian cycling lovers and all those people who want to switch into the e-bike. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rajesh ji. So this is the Suncross Intuitive. So for the first time, all my viewers are going to have a look at the e-bike which Suncross have recently launched it out. So it's a very beautiful frame. As you can see, the battery is integrated within the frame, and there is a way to charge it also. From here you can charge it. Oh, it fell off, no issues. And the bicycle has a very long, very wide handlebar for a good grip. Now, should I just show you? This is how you switch it on. And that's the brake. But surprisingly, it doesn't have an accelerator. And that's what Rajesh Kalra ji just told us, that they don't want to promote a moped culture in India. That's why they have not given the accelerator in the bicycle, so that people should not have an idea of just to go like a scooty or something. But the idea is this, that enjoy cycling, but with the pedal assist coming in picture, you would definitely enjoy the electric part of it. So that's the Raleigh Intuitive. Bicycle is priced at 54,000 rupees. Take a screenshot of the specifications right away.